In this video, we're going to cover drip templates. Drip templates are how you price your widget. So if we go into the new drip, you can see here along the right-hand side, this is where you would choose your pricing for the particular products you're selling. So if we go into drip templates over here, that's how we customize them and remove them if you don't want too much clutter there. So under edit, this is how you would delete it or really just make it inactive by unchecking or checking this box. In this instant, we had a 10% off as an opening discount, 1% discount rate. By the way, 1% in discount means 1% from the day before, not in 100 days it gets to zero. And a floor discount of 35%. One note on that is if we click on restart the product pricing, let's say you're selling 4 of the same item, you list it on a drip as you've got 4 of them, you then drip it, start at 10% off, you drip it 1% a day until you get to maybe 50% off. Somebody buys one, it's then going to, when you have this restart product pricing, it'll go back up to 10% off and start over again. And there, of course, is the floor discount of 35%. Moving on from there, we're going to have the collections tab here, and that is for any collections will be listed here that you have in your Shopify store. However, you can create them here too. An example, say you wanted to have a particular sale or clearance page. Those can be dedicated there with collections and tags. You're familiar with it if you're in Shopify. The product category, this is for, and I'll show you in this case, we've got here this little information spot on the widget. This pops up to show quality rating. If you want anyone and you've got a new category that we don't have, we're happy to add them for you. Just reach out to us. The other one to show is the hide the widget on the original. That means, if you'll notice here, this is the original product page. It's listed at $699.95, and here's the widget. You don't have to have this widget on here, while at the same time, as this page is created, this doesn't have to link to the original product page. I recommend having it on the original product page, but you don't have to. You can remove it in the template section by clicking this box. The other pieces to note is the name, the SKU, and the URL. This is an important one if you want to append the SKU. We have an append counter here that will actually add numbers to it, but you can also say you want to call them R for S for returns for sale. And if you put it on after, you can see that RS shows up. Maybe we put a dash there. This is great for companies that have a third-party warehouse or even just a big warehouse with a lot of products in there and you don't know which is which. It's a great way to do it. These, I'll note, the name, the URL, and the SKU is the only part of this that can actually be changed when creating a new drip. And I'll show you that real quick. You'll see here on step 2, when you create a drip, you can rename the product name, the URL, the SKU. That's where you can do those individually. But otherwise, those things are set for the templates. And there you have it.